Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 AMG GT. The Mercedes-Benz AMG GT can be summed up in 3 words: luxurious, fast, and agile. This vehicle is certain to turn plenty of heads and leave you begging for more time behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sport suspension, front suspension type, multi-link, rear fog light, braking assist, power brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.